Just got to Llandegla in the forest, we're going for a walk. Loads of push bikers. There's scout leader, I'm told that she shouts. But we'll see where we're going and what we have to see. Well, pretty knackered already, and we've just got to the last car park, so the walking is just starting now. So we'll see how we get on. Hundreds of people here. Don't know how noisy it's going to be. Seeing that there's 5 or 6 car parks, there's hundreds of cars here. Dead quiet. Been going quarter of an hour, 20 minutes. Haven't seen anyone else. No other push bikes. So quiet. Unbelievable. So far enjoying it. Don't know if this camera will pick this up. It is so quiet. I don't know how big this site is, but there's hundreds of people in the car parks. Yeah. Got here.
You can hear your heart beating.
Oh, we've just come out the forest. There's a scout leader now. It's got to cross in this stream.
Sure this is the right way?
Yeah.
Where's the sign? There's a bridge there.
Where's the fun in that? Come out the forest to this lovely lake. Gorgeous. And again, still no people. Yeah, we've been going downhill for 10-15 minutes and it's getting steeper. The only worry is we've got to go up the other side somewhere, which might be a bit of a pain. Hopefully it ends in the car park. But we'll see. This is very steep. There's Aldens.
Speak for yourself.
Well, unfortunately, looks like we've come to the bottom, and now there's a going up bit, and the other would be. Damn. Anyhow, just knew it. All that going down, nice and easy. Now we've got a right steep going up bit. But hey ho, never mind. Well, can't be far off the car park now. Just that we've just come uphill through all that, and now we've got that uphill. Well, I think we're coming down now towards the car park now. So it's now far a 5k walk up and down hills is. But hey ho, nearly back at the car. I hope. But beautiful nonetheless. It's so quiet. We've hardly seen anyone. We've just crossed the odd person's path and that's it. Beautiful. It's so quiet. And we've even got a bit of blue sky above us, which we haven't seen for days. And there we are, back to the start, full circle of total joyness and hills. There you go. Back to the car park. Smashing, lovely little walk.